Hello, you're watching the Top channel. What if I told you that some animals can remain active even after death? As strange as it sounds, it's true. What's more, some dead creatures are still capable of attacking you and even killing you. Today, I present to you animals that continue to show activity after death. Let's start with snakes. Third place. Snakes. Some species can easily kill you even after their head has been cut off. Take a look at this video. A man decapitated a rattlesnake with a shovel, yet the snake continued to look around, waiting for the right moment to strike. Even in this condition, a snake can still bite. It can inject a lethal dose of venom for up to an hour after decapitation. So yes, this is a real zombie. Look at this footage. The severed snake head bites its own body, which is also still moving after death. It's hard to tell who we're dealing with here, a masochist or a sadist. In 2016, in the state of Tennessee, a decapitated rattlesnake head bit a firefighter. He was relaxing outdoors with his family. The man simply wanted to throw away the head of the snake he had just killed. He never expected it to bite him and inject venom, even without a body. After the bite, the firefighter felt his lips and throat begin to swell. He took a few steps, lost consciousness, fell, and hit his head on a rock. It took rescuers over an hour to reach him. They carried him out of the forest and airlifted him to a hospital by helicopter. Fortunately, he survived. But Chef Peng Fan from the southern Chinese province of Guangdong was not so lucky. One day, he was preparing a rare delicacy made from an Indo-Chinese spitting cobra. About 20 minutes after cutting off the snake's head, he tried to throw it away. Suddenly, the head bit his hand. It injected a deadly neurotoxic venom. The chef died before an ambulance could arrive. In this case, the snake managed to take revenge even after death. Now look at these clips of a snake eating itself. Believe it or not, this happens more often than you might think. But what causes a snake to self-destruct? It all comes down to smell. Snakes rely completely on their sense of smell, and sometimes it betrays them. If scent particles from prey get onto the snake's tail, the snake may mistake its own body for food. It can attack instantly. A huge number of snakes have died in this bizarre way. In this video, the snake's tail smelled like an animal it had recently eaten. The venomous predator bit itself, and this was the result. Second place. A turtle's heart. This is a turtle's heart. It can continue beating long after it has been removed from the body. The hearts of reptiles, fish, birds, and mammals contain special pacemaker cells. These cells can maintain heart function even without signals from the brainstem. That's why the heart can keep working on its own for some time. Turtles, however, are especially resilient in this regard. First place. Frogs. Frogs also demonstrate incredible survivability after death. Even without a head, a frog can behave almost the same as it did when alive. The main reason frogs display these zombie-like abilities is reflexes. Reflexes trigger electrical impulses. These impulses allow muscles to contract and relax. They bypass the brain entirely. This is very different from how the human nervous system works. That's why a human body could never move without a head. Our behavior is completely controlled by the brain. Compared to frogs, humans are anatomically far more complex. That's it for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss part 2 and other interesting compilations.